Hello good people, greetings from Ngramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Welcome back to the e-commerce series. In today's video, I will show you how to create an affiliate product in WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the e-commerce solution for WordPress. Now, what is an affiliate product? It's basically a product on your site that redirects your customer to another website. If they make a purchase there, you earn a commission. That's it. Pretty cool, right? For example, if you go to our deals page, Ngramium deals, in here you will see you will get exclusive Dukan coupons and discount. By using this, apply the coupon. If you purchase the Dukan, we will earn the commission. And additionally, you can use 10% coupon on the purchase as well. So without any further ado, let's get started to create an affiliate product on WooCommerce. To create an affiliate product on WooCommerce, first we will go to our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard. First, make sure you have installed and activated the WooCommerce. If you don't know how to install and activate the WooCommerce, I will put a link in the description that will show step-by-step guide on WooCommerce. So I believe you have the WooCommerce on your website. After activating the WooCommerce, you will get a menu called products. From here, we will click add new product. And first we will set a name by Dukan Pro. Now for the product description, we will go to ChatGPT to generate some description for the sake of this video. Write me an affiliate product description, and the product is Dukan multi-vendor marketplace. Now as you can see, we have given the prompt and the product description is ready. We will copy this one. Let's copy this one and paste it in here. So paste it in here, the product description. So product description is ready. Now the major and important point is product data. We have to select it external or affiliate product. And in here we will set the product URL. For example, we will need to set the product URL. That will be our affiliate product URL. And for our affiliate product, this is the URL. And the button text will be by Dukan Pro. And the regular price, it starts from, for example, if you go to the pricing, it starts from annual price 149 per year. So it starts from regular price 149. Now we can add the short description as well. For the short description, we will copy some key points from here and paste it in here. After that, we will set the product image. So this is our affiliate product image, and we will hit publish. That's it. You have just created an affiliate product in WooCommerce. Let's view the product on the front end. So this is our affiliate product, start from 149, and if we click buy Dukan Pro, we will be redirected to the Dukan page. So this is how easy it is, and with this I will wrap up this video. I hope you have find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any WordPress tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.